Hello, I'm now going to show you a second way to make your own DOTA2 items. It's very similar to the first one, but this one has some easier parts. So the first thing you need to do is to open internet and search for DOTA2 workshop requirements. Then it's the first link. And here we have all the heroes, and we can mod anyone from this place. So let's just go for my favorite one, Anti-Mage. That's just an example. And then there's some bio, but we're interested in this part. So here is the download file of the Anti-Mage model. And here we have the requirements for the different parts. And we're going to make a weapon for him. So we'll need the LOD0 triangle. The LOD0 file will need maximum 400 a maximum of 400 polygons. The LOD1 file will need a maximum of 350 polygons. And then the texture size is 256 on the height and 128 on the width. And this model should be primarily bound to the bone right blade. So we're going to bind. I'll show you exactly how to do it later. So let's just download it. Oh, wait, I have already done that. Well, no problems. Let's do it again. And oh, here we have it. Extract to desktop. We're extracting it. So oh, here it is. These are the two files. So let's delete the old one then. Or well, I already have the exactly same. We can do it like this. No. Okay, so I have two maps here. One with the Anti-Mage files, the already done files, and the second one is this one, which has nothing in it. Here we are going to save the final model. So let's just make a map called SMD and one called texture. So here will be the files and here will be the textures. And we could do a save also, but this will be unimportant. So what we'll do now is to just open Blender. I hope you have it installed and the SMD tools installed and also implemented, because we are going to need to import oh well, let's have it right here. We're going to import the DOTA2 Anti-Mage files here. So if we go to models and heroes and Anti-Mage, we're going to find SMD files here. And here we can find all of the parts. We're going to change the Anti-Mage weapon this time. So let's just go to File and Import, and you will then find Source Engine SMD VTR. Yeah, this one will you find only if you have successfully implemented the SMD tools to Blender. And if you can't find it, or if you can't find it here, then try to you can either comment or check the description, or for if there is any links. But I hope you have it already. Okay, so let's go into Source Engine and to Desktop, and then we have our Anti-Mage models heroes, anti-mage, SMD, and here we have all the parts. So let's just go choose anti-mage weapon. So now we have his main weapon and his bone structure. So as you can see here, that's anti-mage, but yeah, only as a bone structure. So what we're going, oh yeah, and if we click it and hit tab, we'll see all its polygons, and this is exactly how it looks like. We can also use X-ray. Now we see all the triangles. Well, that's it, and then now we're just going to choose this part where our little cube should be. No, yeah, this cube is going to be turned into a weapon. So let's just make a weapon, hit tab, let's part it, Control R. Wait a moment, I could show you exactly what I hit. Let's see here, where is that? Display? Wait a moment, if I do it like this, can I choose options? Oh no, well, I'm gonna fix it later. So now, okay, I'm gonna tell you what I click. Control R and then enter. Now we have we're going to part this cube in 2 halves. So let's press 0 and then enter again. So now we have parted it in half. Oh, hey, we should move this away. Yeah, away there. Okay. So we have it in 2 parts. Let's then delete this side by marking all of the edges, and then delete the vertices. Mark the oh no. Then we go to here in it's oh, I don't know what it's called, but a tool. Add a modifier, and then we're going to choose mirror. So now, as you can see, it's mirrored. But if you didn't get it mirrored, then you'll see here that there is some different axes. So we can make it look like, just look. Here's the different axes. But we're only going to with the part on the other side. In this case, the x-axis. So now we just need to make our fast weapon. I'm going to make it a little funny, maybe like this, and perhaps well, I don't have a clue what I make now, but let's just make something fast like that. Here's maybe an anti-mage weapon version 2.0. Then we can part it with the knife and make some more vertices like this maybe. And when there's one part more. If we split it in half like this and then delete all, oh no, this won't work that good. Well, it should be done like this. Then we're just going to mark, press tab and then select it, make sure it looks like this. Oh, and it's also going to be placed in the coordinates 0, 0, 0. Yeah, so mine are done. Now we just need to bind our weapon. Let's see here what that one is called. Here, parent. We need to parent the weapon. This one uses Wait a moment. Let's first apply that. Apply the mirror, yeah. And then we're going to parent it with the anti-mage weapon, or the body. But we're going to choose a bone, and the bone is weapon right, because we're going to have the right weapon. So where is the weapon right? We could just type weapon 6k. What? Wait, weapon. I don't know what's wrong. I'll just look once. If you mark the skeleton and then press tab, you're coming into the edit mode for the skeleton structure. And now we're just going to look at what this one is called. Weapon right blade. Okay, only right blade. So then exit and enter and mark your little weapon again, and then insert right or I mean RT, and then we'll find RT blade, right blade in other words. Now in edit mode we need to edit it, so let's scale it up with S and drag it around, and then with R you can move it, but while it's like this, press Z or X or Y to move it in only that specific direction. And so we need to move it something like this. Wait, it's like this I want it. Yeah, so that's how I want my weapon, and let's just make it like that. Now let's just I think we're done with this placing of the bone. Now we could choose, where is it? UV image editor, and then unwrap it. Oh wait, that's wrong. If we remove X-ray and mark everything, then unwrap to view, project from view I mean. So here we will have it, then mark, oh wait, now it's wrong. I only want that side. So project from view, oops, wrong, project from view, and then the rest like this. Yes, good. And project from view. Wait, where's these ones? Oh, I need that. No. Oh wait, what? It's wrong. Okay, now project from view. So now if we mark it all and then choose down here, and now we can move it. So here we have our two what's it called now, weapons. And if we go back to the workshop file and look, we need 400 and 350. We can see how many triangles we have by exporting and then importing. Here we have our vertices and faces. Faces is only these plates, and the triangles are when you part it, so that they turn into two squares, or I mean two triangles. Yeah. So now we needed to look one more thing here. 250 time and the height on the texture must be 256 and the width 128. So let's just do that. Here, new anti-mage weapon, and then width was 128, height 256, and then press OK. So now we have it like this. Wait, I wonder if project from view. No, like this I mean. Let's project it. So project from view, and then the other side, project from view, here. Now, so if we mark it all, and yeah, we have that one active, we can with G, press G and move it around. Mark that one with right mouse button and then press G to mark it around, and then we can press R to rotate and S to scale. So let's take up as much place we can, as much space we can, I mean. And then like this. This is the part below, the underside of the weapon. We won't see it that much, so we could just move it. We can let it take a smaller area. So it's going to look like this. Yeah. And then this one here, maybe. I hope this works. No. Wait, actually, there is one method more. An even better method to do this. So let's delete this side, and then add the modifier again, a mirror, and choose. Oh, in this case, it's the set axis. Oh, now we have it. And let's then only mark this area, project to view, and size it. Then let's mark the back area. Oh no. Aha, there's the problem. We need to mark it all without the X-ray. Then no, project from view. No. Yes, there I have it. Oh, but that's the wrong part. Okay, here. I hope it was project from view. Yeah. Wait a moment. What? I don't want to mark that back part. No, project from view again. Now. So let's size it up. And let's take the back side and mark that little one. Now place the camera right and project from view. So if you mark the full object, double click A to mark everything. And then place it like here. Then we will have two parts of the same item. You'll see soon. So as big as possible, and this one shouldn't be that big. Let's have it like that, maybe. Oh. How's the best way to make it fit? Here. That's perfect. Okay, so now we have both of these parts. So let's now make an apply it first. Oh, enter object mode, not edit mode. Then apply, and now we have dual. It will be will have two. Just look. Oh no, I mean like this. Okay, don't do anything. Just press Ctrl Z to undo. Now we're going to make an ambient occlusion. We're going to bake. So go to full render here, then ambient occlusion, and then we're going to this cube. No, wait. It's this icon. No, wait. Oh, what am I doing? Wait, let me just see here. I shouldn't. Oh, here. World. So from the baking place, we go to the world and choose ambient occlusion here, checked. Factor to 8. Then yeah, approximate here, and pixel catch, and correction to 1. Now let's go back to the bake and press bake. So as you can see now, we have let's choose texture. The problem is that the light here, we're going to delete it. Just find this light, it looks like that, and delete it. So now we can see it. This is how our sword looks like. Wonder what that is. Oh, oops, it's a part like here. Well then, we could color it here, but that's not good. So let's go to image, save as image, and let's find in the desktop our anti-mage weapon, and then let's just save it inside. And let's call it wait, this is actually a texture. So if I save it in the texture, and this one we're going to call anti-mage ambient occlusion with AU only. So save. Then we're going to have the wireframe or UV, and export UV layout, and go to the same place, desktop anti-mage, no, desktop anti-mage weapon, and then texture, and here we're going to name it anti-mage UV export. So now we have exported them. So if we go into the file, we'll find these two. So let's see. Oh, yeah, open it. I hope you have an editing software. Photoshop is the best one, but GIMP could probably work. Oh, someone sent me a message. Well, let me now show you exactly how to edit. Here we have the UV, and here we have the ambient occlusion. So let's just implement it. So we have both. Oh, and then we can make the wireframe on top, like this. Oh. And now, oops. Now we're just going to, we can hide it and show it. Wait a moment, it feels wrong. No, it's actually correct. So add this one, add the ambient occlusion file, and choose, where is it now then? The mark point sample, and just mark everything around. Then we're going to color it, so choose black, And wait a moment, why doesn't it work? Oh, just make a new layer then, and then paint that one black, so it looks like this. If we hide it and if we show. And now we just need one more layer. This one is going to be at the bottom, and this one will be color. We can edit name. Oh well, there's no need. So let's have the pencil, and let's make the size bigger and choose color. Anti-Mage has very blue or pink like colors. Oh, we can't see anything, as you can see now. That's because we need to change these from normal to multiply, maybe, or overlay. Multiply. So then keep painting here, and now it has the Anti-Mage colors, and yeah, we could give it some. Oh, if we show this one, we can see exactly how its structure is. And if we also go back to Blender, wait, did it restart? No, here. Now we can see what part belongs where. So this is the edge here. That means that when I'm editing here, it's there. Oh, I think I made it wrong. Oh no. So I'll just go for it like that. And then just paint it as ever you want it to be. And the underside. Oh, I need to change the size. Now. Okay. So now we have made it colored. Then we can make another layer perhaps, and make some details. Well, it's you decide exactly how you want it to look like. I'm going to make some. Oh no, that was wrong. Well, you could make some things like this. Some icons and things. Okay, and when you're done with that, we could perhaps make a line here and a line here, and then yeah, like that then. And then save it as, where's save as? Oh, here, file. Save as PNG and Anti-Mage bottom line color with small c. Color, yeah, save it. So if this is the color, then let's make the, oh wait, let's delete this one. No, let's bake the wait, what's it called? Normal map. So go to the ambient occlusion option and find normal. And I think it works like this. No, yes, just bake it. And what? This is a crazy thing. Why did it? If I look closer, normal tangent object. What? Oops. World. Camera. No. This tangent seems to be the normal one, but I think object could be the right one. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it. Well, let it be like that then. And save this as image. Save it in the same place as the other ones, but name it anti-mage bottom line normal. So now we have 2 of these. Now we just need the last one called masks. There are 2 masks. When making masks, we could just delete all our color files and even our ambient occlusion. No, let's just. Oh, wait a moment. We could just keep the color file, the color layer. And now here comes the part when we're going to look exactly how DOTA2, how the real model has the well, let's see here. Models, heroes, anti-mage, and here we have all the real files. Here is anti-mage normal. Oh, well, it doesn't look like mine. Wait a moment, I think we choose the wrong. Anti-mage weapon normal here. This is it. Yeah, as we can see, I think we made it very wrong. Yeah, we should probably change it again. Choose tangented and bake. It's single colored, but it shouldn't do that much. Actually, when you use ZetaBrush, it will be a lot better. But now, for now, let's say what? Save as image. Normal. Now, that one is done. And Photoshop, go back there. Let's open the other files. We have the anti-mage weapon mask 1, 2, and 3. Here, these ones. Open. Then they come here. So here we have the texture. Here we have the mask. So let's see here. What should? This is the mask 1 actually. So let's open the mask 2. Yeah, and mask 2. Where is it? Here. Here. Now we have it. So mask 2 has the weapon yellow. Mask 1 has everything blue. And the details are gray here too. And so we should just look on the channels. The alpha channel, here we can see all the channels. So what we should do now is to look at each channel. And here we have our own one. Just choose the first layer, choose white. Oh wait, a big size, and oh, wrong pencil. Now it's all white, and everything has its own channel. So let's look at, let's do the first mask. Okay, the first mask is going to be black on the red one. Let's paint it black. Here, no, yes, here it is. On the first mask, the green is also black. So let's go back to our and choose the green. Paint it full black. And also we should add the alpha channel by pressing this little button down here. So if we go back, the blue mask is white everywhere. That means that the blue mask should be just like this. And then we have the last one, Alpha 1. It's pretty dark in some ways. This is the grip. So I think this one has something with the lightning. Yeah. So just the weapon edge should be gray. So where's the gray? If we just do the opacity and then add gray and maybe some like this. Well, yeah, that should be pretty enough. Wait a moment, I made it wrong this time. Oh, it should be full white. Full white, yes, good. And then the alpha should be, oh no, what? Oh well. Layers, alpha. Oh. Okay, let's just copy the blue one, copy, and add it to the alpha. Oh, what? Okay, let's try it out again. Just copy everything, but from the layer 1, from the layer with the black mark, then add it. Now, oops, it's the wrong side. It's edit and invert. Where's the invert? Wait, no. Select invert. Here. Then we just paint it. And paint it more white here. Oh. Make the size smaller. And now this should be enough. No. This is just easy test. Save it as, yeah. This is exactly how it's supposed to look like. If we compare. This is normal. This is our. So just save as, anti-mage, bottom line, mask 1. Yes. Oj då. Oh. I made one mistake here. We should save it as PNG. Oh no, PNG and mask 1. Now it works. And now let's just make the last mask. It has everything blue. Oh no, let's first look at each channel. So this one has everything gray except the weapon, which is white. So in the red, everything gray, but the weapon, which is white. Oh, here, layer, everything gray. No, red, everything gray, except the weapon, which is white. Oops, size and color. And let's just, oh, we need it to be black. Now, back again, and make it gray, everything, and now just have it lighter in the edge, like this. So, I don't know what this does, but let's try it out. Yep. Then next channel. Wait, we are done with these two, so away with them. Here, these are the ones. Green channel now. Green channel. Their green channel. looks like yeah, the same as the red one. So we could actually copy. If we just copy this and paste it, then it will be the same. Then the blue is the same but inverted. Blue, copy, paste, and image. Image. Variables. No, wait. Where is it? Adjustments. Invert. No. What? Wait a moment. Oh, now I get it. It inverted, but it forgot to invert the area around. So let's remark it and revert it again. Adjustments, invert. No. Okay, Control C, Control V. Image. Invert. Oh well. In that case. Ah, now I know. Here. Let's mark the area around. Channels. Blue again. And invert. Now it will work. There we have it. And the last one is alpha. This alpha looks the same as before, except that this little part is dark. So that means actually that we are going to use the same as... Wait, no? Yeah, yes. It's exactly this one in the alpha. No, wait, oh. Ah, I choose the wrong layer. Now it will work. So let's copy this and paste it here. No. Oh wait, what? Where did that come from? Oh. Now it's done. This is the mask too. We can look at it. This is how it looks like, and this is how... No, this is how anti-mage look like. Ours, anti-mage. So let's save it as... Save as... Mask 2 and PNG. Don't forget that. And then save. And that's it. Now, just close. Yes, let's save it. And if we update, if we open the color, then we'll see. Wait, here, color. No, this is how it will look like in the game. Some icons here, and here is the best resolution. So it will, yeah. We could have added with normal very much detail, but this is just test, so let's keep on. We're done with the file. So then we just need to start DOTA2. Here, launch DOTA2. And it's preparing to launch. And in any time it will be done. Come on. Oh, yes, here. And when it's up, we're just ready to import it at once. We should... Wait a moment. We haven't exported it yet. Ha! Okay, but it's... wait, we could do one thing more here. Which is... No. File. Export. Source engine. And cube. Now... Just go up. Oh no, desktop, I mean. Weapon. Save. And here we're going to make the name. So what's this going to be called? Anti-mage weapon LOD 0. We won't need a LOD 1 this time because we have so few polygons, so we won't need a higher resolution, or I mean a lower. Yes, we don't need a higher resolution version right now because we haven't made it. But for the time being, oh, here we have DOTA2. And publish new item, wearable, select anti-mage, weapon, then let's go to, no, wrong, let's just find our users, let's go into our, what's it called now, desktop, here, desktop, and then anti-mage weapon, SMD, no, oh, oops, we put it in save this time, okay, but that's it. Choose a name. For every time we try to import, we need to have a new name, because DOTA2 saves the older name. So if we call, I'll make an example, if we call it weapon 1, and then try it out and it doesn't work, and then make the adjustment so that it works, and then try again and names it weapon 1 again, then it won't work because it will load the first test, the first weapon 1 test. So for every time you try to publish your item here, you need to make it 1 or 2 or 3. This is the first time now for me, so I'm going to name it. This is not the real name, so just name it something that you won't that you won't repeat anytime. So like anti-mage weapon, and what are we going to call it? Tester 1, like this. And if you want your name, or I mean your username or homage here. Now, here I have it. So this will be the file. You have our LOD, and now a texture file we need. So let's just go into the desktop by going in here, anti-mage weapon texture. What? Oh, the problem we just encountered is that we need to save our files, our texture files, as TGA. So let's open it. Let's open them up again. Yeah, I forgot that. Okay. Here, Photoshop. And then now it has loaded, and now we can open the rest of these. Open. And here we have them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will start with this one. Save as. Yeah, the same, but just change the file to Targa, TGA. And save. Okay. Next one. File. Save as. Targa, TGA. And save. Okay. We can exit these. And now next one, file, save as, Targa, and we just need to repeat that. Now it's done, exit that, and now say the last one, save as, Targa, TGA, and now every one of them have a TGA copy. So when we open DOTA2 and go into textures, we will find them. Just choose a random one and try to import. Yes, it was successful. Now we can look exactly how it looks like in the game. And here we have our main weapon. As you can see, So that's exactly how you do to import a Dota 2 weapon in another way. I hope you learned of this. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll answer it as good as I can. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned of it. Goodbye.